Legionella control is not theory. It's about practical actions that must be done correctly every day. And without the right temperatures, none of it works. Legionella bacteria grow in water between 20 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius. So control starts by keeping water outside this range. Cold water must be kept at 20 degrees Celsius or below. Hot water must be stored at 60 degrees Celsius or above. At outlets, hot water should reach at least 50 degrees Celsius within 1 minute. Why? Because these temperatures either slow down or stop bacterial growth. Next is water movement. Stagnant water allows Legionella to multiply. Any taps, showers, or outlets not used regularly must be flushed weekly. Dead legs, sections of pipe with no flow, must be removed. Then comes cleaning and maintenance. Water tanks must be kept clean, covered, and free from debris. Scale, sludge, and biofilm must be controlled because they protect bacteria. Shower heads and hoses should be cleaned and descaled regularly. Now, monitoring. Temperatures must be checked and recorded. And cold water below 20 degrees Celsius. Hot water stored above 60 degrees Celsius. Outlets reaching at least 50 degrees Celsius within 1 minute. Without records, there is no proof of control. Then put a responsibility. A trained person must be in charge of Legionella control. They must understand the system, the risks, and the actions required, because Legionella doesn't appear by accident. It grows when water is warm, water is stagnant, and systems are poorly maintained. Control the temperature, keep water moving, maintain the system. That's how you control Legionella. Not with paperwork, with real measurable actions that protect people every day.